Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play every agent using an easy method. First, let's understand the 4 core agent roles: Duelist, Initiator, Controller, and Sentinel. Each role brings unique abilities and a specific purpose to your team's strategy. Duelists focus on entry fragging, Initiators gather information, Controllers block lines of sight, and Sentinels hold flanks. By understanding these fundamental differences, you can begin to grasp the basics of playing any agent effectively. To truly master an agent, pick one and commit to learning their kit inside and out. For example, if you choose a duelist, practice entry routes and how to use their flashes or dashes for maximum impact. Understand that a flash lasts about 2 seconds, or a smoke covers a 10-meter radius. Consistent practice with one agent, perhaps for 20 to 30 matches, will build muscle memory and confidence, making it easier to adapt to others later. Once you're comfortable with one agent, start exploring how they interact with others. For instance, a controller's smoke can perfectly set up a duelist's entry, or an initiator's recon can reveal enemies for a sentinel's trap. Understanding these synergies and how to counter common enemy agents is crucial. For example, a well-placed smoke can deny a sniper's line of sight for 15 seconds, giving your team a significant advantage. With a solid foundation, you can begin to expand your agent pool. Try picking an agent from a different role, like a controller if you started with a duelist. Many core principles, such as map awareness and economy management, transfer across all agents. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 unrated matches to each new agent before taking them into ranked play. This systematic approach ensures you build a versatile and effective agent pool over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.